Nirianirira rira riukite teithomura kuri Akenya aria magumirwo ni kwambatira kwa garama ya muturire mena yothe. Riu EPRA ikiarahura mwihoko wa Kenya kuhuthirwo ni maundu mutugo uyu ungithie na mbere. Hari rianirira ria umweri hari ruhonge rwa kuramata mathogora ma maguta na thitima rwa EPRA, thogora wa betro ugwite na ciringi 5 na thendi 31, dithuro yagwa na ciringi 10, ukona kwa maguta matawa makigwa na ciringi 18 na thendi 68 hari o lita.
We have seen significant reductions in the cost of petroleum products in the country, where we have seen a reduction of approximately 8% at the pump, which translates to about 15 shillings per litre, and 12% for diesel, which accounts to about 23 shillings per litre respectively.
Ni kuga kwambiriria thaa thita cia utuku wa umuthi guku Nairobi, betro igokorwo ikiendio na ciringi 193 na thendi 44 hari o lita, dithuro yendio na ciringi 180 na thendi 38, guku namo maguta matawa mendio na ciringi 170 na thendi 3.
Continue to monitor the developments in the international markets, as we said, because the product is a globally traded commodity, and the other macroeconomic factors, particularly the exchange rate, which we have seen has had a significant impact on the cost of the petroleum products in the country and also the cost of electricity.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa EPRA Daniel Kipto, Akenya riu matiri hatikaini ya kunyamario ni mathogora ma maguta ica ikuhi. Riu ruhonge ruru kionania uhotekeku wa mathogora maya guthie thio na makiria hari mieri yukite mwaka-ini uyu.
When you have a stronger shilling and you have better hydrology, that means you're dispatching your thermal power plants less, and you're then able to see the benefit as a consumer.
Nigi Akenya no maguthomura kumana na rianirira ria kugwa kwa thogora wa thitima, undu ria bataire gukinyanira kumana na kugwa kwa thogora wa guciarithania thitima.
When we did approve the tariff, we had a reduction when we got to the end of the financial year 22-23. We moved from 17 shillings and 26 cents to 17 shillings and 10 cents, and we'll continue to reduce even as we go into the financial year 24-25. We'll go to 16 shillings and 39 cents. You have a stronger shilling and you have better hydrology, that means you're dispatching your thermal power plants less, and you're then able to see the benefit as a consumer. We're likely to see less fuel energy cost in our power bills, and we hope this will obtain over the next a couple of months because of the long rains.
Kuna thogora wa gas ya kuruga no guoroneka kwambatira ihinda-ini riri. EPRA niraniria kwambiriria mubango wa kuhingura mieke ya kandarathi kuri onjoria makiria thogora-ini no nduria ukurehwo cidani na kuguna huthiria gas ya LPG.
The prices of LPG, yes, have been on an upward trend, but there are interventions that have been proposed by the government through the LPG growth strategy that will see these numbers come down, particularly when we introduce the open tender system in terms of having a competitive procurement process to import LPG into the country. I think that will be a significant game changer from where I sit.
President William Ruto danaria marigu kuonania mwihoko munene kuri Akenya. Riu bakiuga mathogora maya no maguthie na mbere na kubacirira Mukenya uria ukoretwo tikithetio murigo munene kwa ihinda.
Dola ilikuwa imefika 160, saa hii iko hapa 120 something. Na bado mafuta ndio ile ilikuwa pale, mumeona hata leo imeanguka na shilingi 10 just today, because we are making the right decisions. We are not making popular decisions, and Kenya is going to go forward. Hii Kenya itabadilika tukiona kwa macho yetu.
Ono wabunge makiria ngwataniro-ini ya Kenya Kwanza na magathiririe thirikari nene riu makiuga ikinya riri niri kwaura Mukenya murigo wa kuhatiririka kimuhuko.
Na wale ambao ni wanafanya biashara ya transportation, wale watu wa matatu, tafadhalini wakati bei inashuka mshukishe hata nyinyi mambo ya fare, ndio wananchi wapate kufanya nini? Kufurahia.
Hadunia Kameme TV, Retorako ni Bataro wa Mwagi.